Hi there again. In this short film, we're going to be making these Hempcrete bricks for the attic part of the gable end of the house. This is my prototype mould. I had never made bricks before, so I had to figure it out much better. Here I'm working on a new design for the mould. I measured the pitch of the roof, which used to be thatched. It's about 40 degrees. I made a pattern out of cardboard and was able to duplicate it 6 times for 3 moulds. Here I'm trying to figure out how many bricks I need to make to fill the space, and also know how many moulds I need to make, because I really do not want to be making bricks at Christmas. I've had this little saw for years and I think it's had it basically. I need to get a new one. So I had to resort to doing it this way. I decided to make 5 moulds so I could make 20 bricks a day. I made 3 moulds for the pitch angled bricks so I could make 9 of them a day. It's October now and the weather is turning. I have a couple of other films where I show exactly how I made the Hempcrete. Each brick is 8 inches by 6 inches by 3 inches deep, and one batch of Hempcrete made 11 bricks, and that worked out at about £1 per brick. They're going to replace the clay bricks that are in the gable end of the attic, so they don't have to be that big, and they will be more thermally insulating than clay bricks. Apparently it's really difficult to make thin sheets of Hempcrete, so I thought I'd have a go at making some tiles. I'm not sure how insulating they would be, but I thought I'd give it a go. So this is the next day, the moment of truth. My first batch. And this is the tile that I made. First tile. Prototype. Actually, it's alright, isn't it? Yeah, it's not bad. And that's a tile. That's a prototype. That's a prototype tile, that one. And here is a brick. And a very nice brick it is indeed. Well, we could probably sell those for £3 each. And the next day, after making another batch, my tile didn't go so well. Oops. Oh dear. I think I might give up on this idea. I don't have much time left. So now we have a fully functional biscuit factory. What do you think? £4 each, maybe? I could stick them all together with lime mortar. I'm feeling very happy, and I've got a new hat. You can really feel the temperature change. could have been a drummer in a rock and roll band. I don't actually think I'd be alive now if I was. Emo kid delivering hemp bricks. Those are hemp insulation bricks behind the front door, officer. Thanks so much for watching. It's been a pleasure. I enjoyed making the film.